Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're giving our 2026 Tesla Model Y a fresh new look by adding some new wheel covers sent to us from EVBASE. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the wheel covers. All right, so here are the wheel covers removed from the box. These are the Überturbine style wheel covers. It comes in two different styles. There is a smooth center cap style and then also a gear style. We went with the gear style just because it kind of mimics and replicates the Überturbine wheels of the Model Y Legacy Performance. And I think it looks a little bit nicer. These are matte black, so it comes in a matte black finish. It comes with obviously 4 wheel covers in the box, and it comes packaged super well, wrapped in foam and then bubble wrap, just so that it prevents any damage from transport. It also comes with a wheel cover removal tool and then some foam tape. That foam tape will go on the inside of the wheel cover to prevent any noises or vibrations from occurring. So we currently have EVBASE's spiral style wheel covers on our Model Y. We also applied that foam tape and it has been silent ever since. So not like the OEM wheel covers on the 19-inch Crossflow wheels that can be a little noisy. Our EVBASE spiral style wheel covers, and I'm hoping that these covers as well will be quiet. So we'll go ahead and I'll show you guys a little close-up of these wheels and then we'll go ahead and throw them on the car. All right, here's just a little close-up of the wheel covers here. So you can see the gear style center cap. We also got some center caps as well with the Tesla logo on there. So we'll go ahead and throw those on once we get it on the car. But so you can see really nice finish, matte black. I think it'll look really nice. These are made specifically for the 19-inch Crossflow wheels. So you'll remove the stock OEM wheel covers if you have them or any other wheel covers, and then you can throw these guys on. So yeah, we'll go ahead and throw them on the car and see how it looks. All right, and just to show you guys real quickly before we throw on the wheels, we did apply the foam tape along the edges. It really only took less than 5 minutes probably for all 4 wheels. Obviously, it doesn't have to be perfect, but just enough so that it covers the lip of it, or the inside lip, so that way it protects the wheel and then also prevents any vibrations. I didn't show the video on how to apply this foam tape. I have another video when I installed the spiral style wheel cover, so I'll make sure to link that in the description box and then also on the screen, so that way if you want to see how to put that on, you can follow the link, but it's pretty easy. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at what it looks like on the car. All right, just for comparison, these are EVBASE's spiral style wheel covers that we have installed previously on our Model Y. And then these are the new Überturbine wheel covers that we're going to be installing in just a second. So just for comparison, you can take a look at what that looks like. And then once we get them on the car, you guys can let us know which style you guys prefer. All right, we're first gonna have to start by removing the old wheel covers that are on the Model Y. There are clips behind there, so I think if we can lift off the clips, we'll hopefully be able to pry it off. Hopefully we don't break anything, but we'll see how it goes. You can use your pry tool if necessary, if needed, to help you get behind and pull it off. There we go. Just like that. So it comes off, no clips broken, and then I'll show you guys a quick close-up. Here's just another comparison again of the 2 different styles of wheel covers. So EVBASE's spiral style wheel cover and then EVBASE's Überturbine style wheel cover. So let me know in the comments which one you guys prefer. Now that everything is removed and cleaned up a little bit, we can go ahead and throw on our new wheel covers. The only thing that you have to remember is to line up the hole for the valve stem with the valve stem on the wheel, and then everything should hopefully just pop into place. So like this. There you go. Sounds a little bit more violent than it is, but I think it's on there nice and secure now. And I think it looks really nice. So we'll go ahead and do the other 3 wheels, and then we'll get some B-roll shots of the entire car. All right, so we got all 4 wheel covers on now. The last step is to just put on the center cap now. So we went with the, matte black center cap, just so it matches the finish of the wheel. And I didn't want it to stand out too much. So we're gonna go ahead and throw these guys on the middle. There's just some double-sided tape on the back, so we'll take that off, put it on, and then we'll do that to all 4 wheels. And then that'll be it. That'll complete the installation process. All right, there you guys have it. Center cap's on, wheel covers on. I think it looks pretty sharp. Let's go ahead and do a little B-roll footage now. All right, so there you guys have it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. These are the EVBASE Überturbine style wheel covers for the 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper with the 19-inch Crossflow wheels. I think they look great. I've always loved the Überturbine style wheels of the previous generation Model Y Performance Legacy. And so it's a great way to kind of get that similar look and then also still retain the 19-inch wheels. So if you are more interested in efficiency and comfort, you can still get all that with the look of the Überturbine wheels. I also like the matte black. I prefer matte black over like the gunmetal look. I think it goes nicely with our Model Y in white with the carbon fiber accents. So I think it looks fantastic. So yeah, if you guys enjoy this video, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want to continue to follow along our journey with our Model Y. And yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.